Okay, so what we're gonna do today is we are gonna make a scale. So what you need is 2 long pieces of yarn, 2 plastic cups. They can be any kind of plastic cup. You need a hanger. You can use a wire hanger. It can be a hanger with these 2 notches in it. This is the easiest way, or you can also tape the yarn to the hanger. So if you don't have the hangers with the notches, you can do that as well. And then you need a hole punch or something to puncture the cups with. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your cup and you are gonna puncture, and if you have a dad that's really good with tools, I bet he's probably got a really good tool, better than a hole punch, because this can be kind of hard. So your parents are gonna have to probably do this part. So you take your hole punch or whatever you're gonna use and you puncture the cup right in this part through the top, like by the top of it. And my hole punch is not super strong, so it takes me a little bit. Okay, then I'm gonna puncture another hole directly on the other side of this hole. This is important. If you have your hole here and you put another one right here, that's too close. You wanna have it on the opposite side, okay? So now I'm gonna look at it, I'm gonna kind of eyeball it, and I'm gonna say, okay, I think that is a good spot. I'm gonna puncture the cup. Okay, and there. Okay, so now that I have my holes punctured, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my yarn and I'm gonna thread it through the holes. And I'm gonna make sure that I don't use too much yarn when I tie it off, because I want each cup to have the same length of yarn. And y'all may remember that word from last week. We were talking about length and height and width. Well, our yarn needs to be the same length. So I have this one already done. So now I'm gonna hold it up, and I'm gonna hold this one up, and I'm gonna make sure that they are the same length. And they are. So now that I know, I can tie this one. So let me finish tying this one. And you wanna do a good knot because you don't want it to come loose. So I'm gonna do a double knot. And guess what? You may need, oh, I didn't double knot that one. You may need your parents to help you with this. This is the hard part of making the scale. So let me measure it again. See, even teachers make mistakes. Isn't that fun? Okay, let's see. I'm making sure I got it right, and it's right. So this time I'm gonna make sure I do that double knot, and it won't come undone. Okay, perfect example. All right, so now I'm gonna take my hanger, and again, if you don't have a hanger like this, then make sure you hang it in the same spot and tape it down, okay? So as long as it's, you know, if you measure it this width, make sure it's the same width on the other side, so that way your scale will be level. And my scale is level. So now I need to weigh stuff. And the great thing about a hanger scale is you can put it on a doorknob, or you can hang it from something in your house, and you can weigh things all the time. So I'm gonna take an apple, all right? And I'm gonna put an apple in this cup. And oh, look at that, it went way down. Now I wanna see how I could put like a different apple or a different fruit, maybe an orange, and see which one's heavier. But I was thinking, I wanna see how many pieces of pasta would it take if the pasta would weigh more than the apple. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Maybe you could make a prediction at how many pieces of pasta will it take to make my scale level, or to make the apple go up and the pasta go down. So I ended off with 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Oh, it's going to be a lot. 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I'm at 30 and it's still not even close. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. I feel a shift. 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Oh, it's getting closer. 50. I have 50 pieces of pasta and it's still not level. Let's keep going. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58. Here we go, kids. Here we go. 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Almost there. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. I think we did it with 80 pieces of pasta. Oh my goodness. So you can pick anything in your house and you can weigh all on your own. You don't need those big fancy scales that the schools have. You can make one right at home. Have fun.